I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple's animated emojis in your Messages app. So your first step is to open up your Messages app to a particular conversation that you want to send these animated emojis to. Next, you're going to click the plus icon on the bottom left, and then you're going to scroll down until you see the Memoji icon. You're going to click on Memoji. Now you will have to set up your own Memoji first. That's why you can see my face down there at the bottom. It will prompt you to sign up and basically set up your particular face first. But once you have it set up, now you can create an animated emoji using your own particular Memoji that you created. All you have to do is tap on the red record icon on the bottom right, and now I'm gonna make my animated motion, and once I'm done, I'll press the stop icon in the same spot, and you can see that it shows exactly what my recording was. If I stop talking, I can click replay. There you go. And once you're ready, you can click the send icon on the bottom right, and it will send that to that person, and it will play it out, and it will hear your voice as well.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.